Hello guys, welcome back. I'll show you some AMS ideas. Oh, who put this here? Today I'll show you a lot of variety scrap items. Guys, there's more. Check this out. Remember this? This is the only set I said to check in the last video. Guys, check this out. It might look like an emergency light at first glance, but it's actually not. Oh, look at this! Isn't it something different? The design looks really funny. Wow, nice toy. See this broken watch? It's look real nice. Guys, let me show you an amazing idea using this. I need supporters for this. I'm going to connect a motor to the solar panel. Guys, how is the sound? Guys, what do you think of my idea? Let me know in the comments if you like this. Let's check out what else is there. Let me show you an idea using this. First, let's connect to this person to the solar panel. Guys, how this idea? Did you like it? Next, I'll show you another idea. Guys, what do you think of my solar fan? Guys, let's test if this working in water. Oh my god! It actually works! It's amazing! Open your eyes wide and look at this! What's this? It looks like a Windows radio. Is anyone watching who has used this radio? Oh, here! I got an old mobile phone from this. Oh, bad luck! It actually damaged it. this fan isn't working. Let's see what's wrong with it. Oh, the battery is dead. Let's come to the solar panel to the fan and see what happened. Oh my god! This fan is working perfectly! Guys, next I will show you a different idea. Guys, what do you think of this idea? Now, let's repair the problem speaker that isn't working. Guys, the battery is dead. Let's try continue a different one. Oh, no lag. It's not working. The ice is get hot. And now, shall we try to repair this Android speaker that amazed us? Its battery also dead. Let's try continue different battery. Oh my god! It's actually working! Thank God! I was so worried. Now, let's test this on. This one also has a dead battery.
The Bluetooth
Oh,
device is
guys,
ready to
like
pair.
is on my side again. A big thanks to God.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Some parts aren't working, but that's okay. Guys, and now it's time to check out this interesting toy. It's a damaged bike. Oh, the build quality is very impressive. Now, let's connect a battery and check. Wow, this is really amazing. It looks like an expensive item. And now, here's the final item. Can you guess this sound? Let's see if work or not. I'll reveal that in the next video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.